Alright, good day, my fellow degenerates. Taking another look at the Ponzi. You know, we're in a bit of a range here. At every single high, we have people calling the end of the bear market, and at every single low, we have people calling 100k plus. Crypto. I love you guys. Alright, let's get stuck into it. I'm going to show you exactly what I think is going to happen. Now, it may not happen. I'm just going to act accordingly, alright? So, I could get off the chart and in 12 hours time, things could be completely different. I'm just going to share what I'm seeing right now at this moment, okay? So there's obviously no reason to get short yet. This whole consolidation right here is holding us up. Until we break this consolidation and revisit sub 35k levels, we are bullish. 50k. You gotta remember, our last all-time high was under $20,000. We have more than doubled. Okay? The low was at like 3.5k. A retrace here is perfectly reasonable, but I do not think it's going to happen. We are forming a giant ascending wedge on the 4-hour and hourly timeframes. This is going to cuck everyone. Now, if I am given the opportunity, I will enter long, and this is exactly how I'm going to do it. So let's just mark this out. We have our key high here. Right, this is now support. We have the weekly base right here. So if this breaks, that's bear market territory, but it's not going to happen. Alright, there is nowhere near enough evidence to say that we should be letting go of our spot bags. I've been saying this for months. But let's just dive deeper into this chart. We have the weekly base there. We have the bullish base that broke structure, and I know you're all probably familiar with these methods, so I'm not coming up with anything new here. But I do not think we're done. Take a look at this. Now, your Uber driver, your grandparents, your mother, they've been watching these trading courses. What do you think they are taught in these trading courses? You have to remember, if you're trading price action strategies that are based around manipulation, you are so far ahead of the curve. And even though the majority of the people that you follow on Twitter are trading this strategy, the majority of the retail traders that are actually trading do not know anything about this. So let's just take a look at what we're seeing here. How many people think this is going to just break up to the upside without any manipulation at all? Can it happen? Of course it can happen. And if I'm given this setup, I will take it too. But from what I'm seeing here, we are prepping for a quick retracement, and I mean quick. If we're going to get it, it's going to be quick. So all of the people buying long right here, once we retest, where do you think their stops are going to be? Below here. Below here. And below here. Everyone cannot be long in a market. That's the reality. We need fresh liquidity in the market, and we will get that by forming shit like this. So we have a broken base here. Jump onto the 15 minute. Okay, and here's the low that swept the high. So this is the broken base, that's the sweep. Okay, if we see a fast move down below these lows to the 45k region and sweep this low here, then I think we are good for a massive move up. Now, I won't be trading this with limits or blindly, okay? I'll be waiting for further confirmation once we get down here on the 1 to 5 minute time frames. Now, it's completely possible that we do drop down into 40k. How many of you will actually buy down at 40k? If everyone's screaming top of the market as soon as we make any kind of rejection candle or anything that looks the slightest bit bearish, what do you think's going to happen if we start to drop down to 45 or to 40k? A lot of people are going to be getting short. The funding's going to be getting flipped. Longs can start to get paid again. So I'll be taking advantage of that opportunity if I see it. Nothing yet. If we see a reaction, okay, we have a sweep here and then a broken base here on the 1 minute time frame that lines up roughly with the low of this triangle. If I see the double confirmation there, I will take it, but for now I'm thinking we are about to see some manipulation, and if we do see it, best be ready to take advantage of it. No worries. Good luck. Yeah.